Hello everyone, are you confused how to draw one point perspective? If so, I am here to help you. You can watch the video of any artist who draw effortlessly. But here is a question. How can they draw like that? This is not a big deal. I will teach you very simple way to draw one point perspective. First of all, what I use to draw. First, we need a pencil. I don't know about you, but I ordered this pencil from Germany. You would not believe this price. It is 6 rupees. Second, we need a ruler. I'm not joking. It is really very expensive because look at its simplicity. There must be a ruler better than any other ruler. You would not believe it, but its price is actually 10 rupees. Third, we need a mechanical pencil. In my case, this is a high quality premium mechanical pencil. But bro, this is not a look like a premium quality pencil. You got it. This pencil has a simplicity and lightweight. But bro, this cap is broken. This is not broken, fool. This is a style. But here is a great price. 20 rupees. I know this is a very expensive pencil because you do not expect that. But bro, I really expect these. Forget about it. Fourth, we need a sharpener. You think this is a very costly, but not. This is not costly. This is only 5 rupees. Now we are start our one point perspective art. Feel this sound, bro. Before we start, we need to learn something. This is not a high quality rocket science. This is a literally logical tips. Horizon line. Bro, what is a horizon line? I teach you, my son. The term horizon line and eye level. I read this all, but I could not understand what is that mean. But I explain you easy way. Look at the picture. What do you see? A single road goes to infinity. If you look closely, the sky and ground is equally distributed. This distribution is called horizon line. You can see many pictures have a horizon line. This is not a necessary event. It can be tilted at any angle, just like your luck. The second thing we should know is a vanishing point. Now what is a vanishing point, bro? Don't worry, I will explain it to you. It is simply a point. According to Google, the vanishing point is that point which you don't know understand about that? Don't worry, I will explain you in an easy way, like highway. Forget about everything. Just remember horizon line. What is this? Yes, this is horizon line. And what is this point? This point known as a horizon line. You can easily see that any type of perspective art have horizon line and vanishing point. This is not important because they can have more than one. When you have a one vanishing point, they can further have 3 to 4, even 10 to 20. But in this video, I am talking about one point perspective. And I will explain the vanishing point. Now you have learned about vanishing point and horizon line. Now you should know about the vanishing line. I will explain this to you using this. First, we draw a square. If you don't have a scale, then you can draw it freehand. A square have a 4 point. But bro, this is wrong. This word does not look like a point. This is P-A-I-T. Oh, you found it. This is your English test, bro. I'm not at a fault here. I had to see whether you were paying attention or not. Now your square is ready. Connect this point with a vanishing point. And this connection is called the vanishing line. You can connect 4 of these points with a vanishing point. This feel good? But this is not enough. According to you, you can draw this line anywhere. This is ready, one point perspective square. You can draw any further for the exercise like this and like this. If you really want to learn further, then comment and write to me, please, along with a crying emoji. And I will make a complete one point perspective video just for you.